Welcome back to ProSchool's YouTube channel. My name is Samir, and in terms of my background, I'm an engineer and an MBA and a CFA and an FRM with an industry experience of around 15 years. Work profile primarily is into valuations analyst for an investment banking firm. Financial modeling, we can say, is like a L0, level 0 program to CFA. Now, if I do financial modeling, that's a skill set that you will need obviously in the investment banking, especially in the investment space. So yes, financial modeling will help you break into a profile which probably makes up into an investment career. In terms of salary, I would say it depends upon what is my prior background. Let's say if I'm a CA and I'm doing a financial modeling, then obviously there is a different bracket in which the potential recruiter will place you. But say I'm a graduate, I do financial modeling, I should be a candidate for a entry level analyst profile, anywhere in between say 4 to 6 lakhs. And obviously for me to further graduate in my profile, I will need to take programs like CFA or an MBA to progress in the career. So just with a financial modeling background and let's say a graduation program, it might help me break into, but say making a 5-10 year career, you will understand that as you get on a job, you will need to equip yourself with other programs to become a senior. And obviously if I am an associate or a equity analyst or say investment banking analyst, sky is the limit to the earnings potential. If you are interested in learning financial modeling, ProSchool has a comprehensive program which takes you into the financial modeling world. For more details, you can connect with our counselor. Link for the same is provided in the description. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.